Hello everyone, this is Bavana here. Today I'm here with this topic, cloud computing in business and IT perspective. In this session, let us see how cloud computing plays a major role in business and IT perspective. Cloud computing being a new way of doing business organizations are adopting cloud in their workplace. Let us see how cloud computing plays a major role in business. Why is it important for a business to opt cloud computing? Cloud computing allows a business organization to compute resource online. When it is a business organization, you have a lot of computing works going on. So it is very difficult to do everything manually. So here cloud computing allows us to do compute resources online and access information virtually throughout the world. You just have to you just need to have a suitable device with a proper internet connection. Suitable devices such as PC, mobile phone, tablets, or anything as such. You can access information in any remote corner of the world. That is nothing but global way of accessing data. And also, cloud computing offers shared infrastructure. See, in a business organization, it's not only one person who is working, or it's not only one or two. It is you have a lot of people working in your business organization. You might have many partners in your business organization. So you need to share information to everyone. If you're doing it manually, it becomes a tedious job for you to share all the information manually. So here cloud computing offers shared infrastructure in which at one point of time, at the same time, many people can access the information in the cloud. So this makes the job very easy to share shared information to all of your business partners or employees working in your organization. Cloud computing also um, promotes cost and time saving. Using cloud computing, we can save a lot of our investments and time as well. In the further topics, let us see how cloud computing plays a major role in cost and time saving. Cloud computing in streamlining business process. Let us see how cloud computing helps in streamlining business process. Streamlining. Let me make it clear what is the meaning of the word. What does streamlining means in a business? Streamlining is a process of removing unnecessary work-related tasks to make your task or the process efficient, to make your organization perform in an efficient manner. Suppose you have to perform some computing on your data. In here, you will have a lot of steps which is not actually needed, but you need to make it in a smart way. That thing where you remove all the unnecessary steps and make it in a smart way is nothing but streamlining. Here we have three major topics: automate manual process, keep up with business change, simplify disaster recovery. Automate manual process. Let me tell you what is the meaning of the word automate. Automate, it is nothing but automatic. It clearly says it's nothing but automatic. Here, for you to understand what is automate or automation, I will give you a small example. Imagine that you are running a shopping mall. So you have some offer coming up. So you need to tell everyone about the upcoming offer. So what you do is you have a list of customer details, maybe email ID of various customers. You need to send a newsletter telling about your upcoming offer with some promo codes. So what you do is you set up that promo code and the other details which has to be repeated for all the customers, which has to be sent to all the customers. So you actually type about whatever you want, whatever offers you want to give for what part of what in which section you want to give what part of offers. You actually get everything into your mail, and then at the end of the mail you have the same promo code given to all the customers. So you set up this particular message, that promo code for every mail that you send. So you assign it once in a day. Example, once in a day, and throughout the day, the whole all the mails that you send will have that promo code and about the offer. So this is how you automate a process. So software application covers a range of process and can be configured to meet an organization's specific requirements. Automation is used when you have a recurring task that keeps happening again and again. So let me give another example. We all are aware of Airtel, Jio, or any other SIM cards, right? So what happens when you recharge and your pack is about to expire, you get a call which is automated. You get a call telling that your recharge is going to expire within few days and you need to recharge to avail free calls or internet and etc. That is the automated call which is being automated again of that particular set of people, group of people whose recharge is about to um, you know end. So this is nothing but automation. You automate a task which has to be repeated, or it's a recurring task. Okay. Well, it also lets enterprises. It here is cloud computing. Also lets enterprises to avoid the upfront software licensing and hardware cost of a traditional on-premise deployment. Here, you don't have to worry about upgrading your software or the hardware maintenance or licensing or anything because cloud vendor takes care of everything. Now let us move on to next topic. Keep up with business change. Okay, a business is subject to a constant change. When it is a business, it wouldn't be wrong if I say there's a change every second. There's a change in a business with every second, right? There's so many changes occurring in a business, right? So cloud gives agility for a company, for companies to modify business process or roll out entirely new ones. Imagine that you have a new product developed in your business, or you have to market a new product. So you need to add the new product into your list of products that you already have, right? So if you're doing that manually, it would be a tedious job. It might take 1 or 2 days, but using cloud it is very easy and it can be done within fraction of seconds. Cloud lets organizations create a new mode of doing business much more rapidly than traditional approaches, right? Here let me give you an example. uh, let us take an example of our Amazon. Okay, Amazon is a cloud where you can sell and buy goods. So once you need to buy license for your product and you can sell it very easily. It's just a one time process. You do it once and you can use it for lifetime. Any upgradation, the vendor will take care of it. See, in case you're not opting in Amazon or any other platforms to sell your goods, but you're doing it on your own, you need to have your own software to track the system. You need to have your own delivery department and everything. You need to track the product. You need to get everything from the customer, every update. That would be a tedious job for you to do. But in that case, if you opt some cloud vendors like Amazon or any other Flipkart or something like that, it would be a Salesforce. Salesforce, you have a lot of cloud platforms. I mean, where you can sell your goods or buy products, right? So if you do using the any of these, the cloud vendor takes care of everything. You just have to buy license and you just have to sell your product. I mean, display your product. Rest of the things would be taken care by the vendor. So this is how uh, uh, cloud computing helps in keeping up with business change. That is, it removes unnecessary tasks, streamline of business, right? Simplify disaster recovery. Um, Imagine that you have a business, you have a company where you have a lot of data stored manually. You have stored data in files, CD drives, or some other drives. But unfortunately, your data is lost due to a natural disaster or a man-made disaster. Imagine that there is a fire accident. You lose all your data. It would be a very tedious job for you to replicate the same data to a backup location if you don't have a cloud. In case you have a cloud, you can directly replicate all the data from the primary site to the backup location. Cloud plays a major role in replicating data from primary site to the backup location. Cloud approach provides data protection without associated costs and complexity. You need not pay extra for your data protection or anything because it is a package which includes everything. You need not invest again on security. Your data is secure even at any point of time, such as disasters or any other data loss. Now, let us move on to advantages of cloud computing in business organization. Reduced cost. I've been telling you, all the process like streamlining business process and all the automate manual process, keep up with business change. All these things would reduce cost because you don't have to maintain software, you don't have to invest on any hardware maintenance, you don't have to invest on licensing and software licensing. Everything is taken care by the cloud vendor. Unlimited scalability. You need more power, you get it. You need more storage, you get it. You just have to request, right? It's very scalable, highly scalable, and it's very flexible. Um, you don't have to follow a lot of procedures in order to get something in a cloud, right? You buy a package and everything is available within in your fingertips. So it is very much flexible. You don't have to follow lengthy procedures and things to get things done in cloud. Better mobility. You can move your data from one end to another very easily in cloud. Improved communication. For this, let me take the best example is our Google Classroom. Our teachers need not call each and every student to tell that there is a class upcoming and this is the topic. Nothing. It's just one way communication. Every student can get the information in one platform called Google Classroom. So everyone are being added and we all get it like at once. We do our teachers don't have to come to each one of us and tell, right? So it is very much improved communication. If you see, 2 decades ago, we had land phones wherein we have to communicate to each person in private. But this is not like that. You can communicate to a large number of people at once. Reliability. It's nothing but you can depend on cloud at any point of time for anything. Increased storage. This is one amazing benefit of cloud where you get a lot of storage which is secure and it has all the benefits that you can get more storage as and when you need, right? Disaster recovery, as I've already explained you, your data is secure and you can replicate it whenever you want, when there is a data loss or whenever you want. Security. Yes, cloud offers a very good security to your data and you don't have to think twice about this. So this is all the reasons why I feel a business organization should adopt cloud computing in their in the process in their organization. So cloud computing has various benefits which makes our business very easy. These are few things that I wanted to convey, and this is the end of the session. I hope you all understood what I tried to convey. And thank you. Happy learning. Have a good day.